Hey, real estate rock stars, ready to turn your skills into cash without breaking the bank? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive right in. But first, I want to give a shout out to all my amazing viewers who requested this video after checking out my top 5 side gigs for new agents video a few weeks back. For those of you who are new to the channel, I'm Maggie Reyoso and I created this digital product one time over a year ago, and I'm proud to say it's brought me over $30,000 at the time of recording this video with just 1 hour of work a day. So grab your favorite note-taking tool because I am about to spill the beans on how you can do the same thing in just 5 simple steps. Let's make some magic happen. Step 1, identify your expertise. First things first, you got to think about what sets you apart. There has to be something you're an expert at. Maybe you're really handy around the house and have home improvement skills, or maybe you know of some interior design tricks, or know of some top-notch marketing strategies, or whatever your specialty is. Just identify your unique strengths and create a digital product about it. For example, I taught middle school and high school math for over 10 years. So I can honestly say I know a little something about math, right? And I've been a full-time real estate agent for over 6 years. So I put my expertise in math and my experience in real estate and created this digital product called Math Skills for Real Estate Success. It's an ebook that helps aspiring real estate agents learn the math concepts for their exam. If I could sell this ebook to a super niched audience and make over $30,000 in a year working 1 hour a day, you can do this too. Now, you're probably wondering, what would I sell? Well, let's say you enjoy baking or cooking. You can create an ebook or a digital product with a bunch of all your favorite recipes that you cook for your family. Then sell it. Let's take another example. Let's say you're a photography pro. Create a digital product where you go over the correct way to frame a picture using the rule of thirds, lighting techniques, f-stops, and so on. Or let's say you're into home improvement. Well, you can create a simple book with plans on how to construct the base for a built-in bookshelf. The ideas are endless. Just think about what you are really good at or what everyone comes to ask you about and create a digital product about that. It doesn't have to be an ebook. It could be a bunch of different things. You are the creative behind it. So if you can get your point across in just one page, then you're good. Trust me, you can do this. Here is an example of a digital product. We have this person selling printable art on Etsy. They have created this beautiful product here where all someone has to do is purchase it, print it out, then frame it. It's that simple. And as you can see, they've made 2.8K sales on this product alone. So if we say it's about an average of $5 since it's on sale now, and we don't know how many times or for how long it's been on sale, we just multiply 2,800 by $5 and we see that this creator has made $14,000 on this product alone. That they made one time, uploaded it, and now are making all that money on that one product alone. Hopefully that's motivated you a bit and opened your eyes to this money-making potential. So let's get into how we are going to do all of this. Step 2, choose your digital product. Now that you have decided on your topic, it's time to decide on what type of product you're going to sell. There are many different types of digital products. The amount of different digital products that you can create is mind-boggling, and the digital era continues to grow this as an opportunity for you to carve out a niche for yourself, create passive income, and help someone else all at the same time. Let's talk about the many digital products that you can choose from. You've got ebooks, templates, online courses, printable artwork, planners, journals, and so much more. There's even a website where you can sell your own pictures. Yes, those pictures that you have stored away in your camera roll on your phone can be sold for some money. It's really up to you and what you want to create. So identify your expertise and choose what type of product you want to sell. Let's dive into how to create these digital products and get them ready for you to sell and make some money. Step 3, craft your content in Canva. All right, so we've decided on what we're going to create a digital product on and who we're going to sell it to. So now we have to get to creating. My favorite tool to use is Canva. It's basically my secret weapon for creating stunning digital content, and it's so easy to use too. So whether you're designing an ebook cover, crafting visually appealing templates, or building an engaging online course, Canva is a great tool that you can use to help you with this process. All you have to do is go to canva.com and sign up. It is 100% free to use, and since you will not be able to use the pro features to sell your digital product, having the free account on Canva will be just fine. I actually love Canva, and I use it pretty much every day to create the graphics you see on my YouTube videos and even for my presentations when I teach. I currently have the pro account, which I pay about $130 a year for. Not too bad when it's just a little more than $10 a month, and it is so powerful. Let me know in the comment section below if you would like me to bring you more information on how Canva works and how you can create amazing products and even a free website. For now, let's move on to the next step, which is how to market your product and start making money. Step 4, create sales page. Now that your digital masterpiece is ready, it is time to share it and let the world know all about it. There are several ways that you can do this 100% free. There's a platform called Gumroad. It's a totally free platform where you can sell your digital products hassle-free. You set up a storefront, showcase your products, and let Gumroad handle the rest. I would definitely create social media posts or videos around your product and promoting your product and not just leave it up to Gumroad. You get a link and you can just copy this link and post it into your social media profile and just direct people to the link in your profile or bio. Another way of doing this, which is a little more complicated, is by using System.io. I left a link for you in the description box below. So personally, I believe this is a great way to begin collecting emails so that when you build another digital product, or if you want to market something to a bunch of people, you can use this to blast off an email and make even more sales. This is a great way to just create a simple sales page and make some extra money in your pocket. Although there may be a little bit of a learning curve on this, it's still worth it for you in the long run. Let's move on to step number 5. Step 5, promote like a pro. Last but not least, it's all about spreading the word. Leverage your social media channels, collaborate with other professionals, and don't forget the power of email marketing. The more eyes on your products, the more sales you'll make. One way you can promote your products is to create videos on how your product can help people solve a problem. Basically, show people how they will get from point A to point B in some particular journey. You'll be amazed at what you may think is easy, but tons of people don't know. Here are some examples of videos that I've created and posted on my TikTok account to promote my eWorkbook.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
Let's party! Let's go!
Look at this. Oh, perfect. Oh my God. Isn't it great?
Chris!
I know, it's my dream.
I have goosebumps everywhere. This is out of this world. What a birthday.
I know. Happy birthday.
It doesn't have to be perfect. Just something that kind of tells a story and helps guide someone to a specific destination step by step. I'm sure you've got many talents that you can write about. All right, those were my 5 simple steps to turn your expertise into passive income streams. Remember, the key is consistency and providing value to your audience. Now, go ahead, create, sell, and watch your bank account grow. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found value in this video and hit that subscribe button too. I truly appreciate all your support, and until the next time, happy selling.